Hello everyone. Today I will explain 5 technical questions from the CCNA exam. First, let's look at the first question, which is a multiple choice question. It's a question about the configuration of IPv4 addresses. Alright, then it asks, what are the 2 main reasons for implementing IPv4 addressing on the network? The main reason, first of all, the first option is wrong. It says to comply with PCI regulations, which is incorrect. Then let's look at another very wrong one. It's to comply with local laws, which is definitely wrong. Then there's another incorrect option, which is C. It says to reduce the size of the routing table on the router, which has nothing to do with the routing table, so this is wrong. The correct answer is this: to conserve IPv4 addresses. And also, this one is to reduce the risk of network security vulnerabilities. So choose options B and D. Let's look at the correct answers. B and D. All right, the second question. The second question says in the WAN access technology, within the WAN access topology, it is more suitable for small offices and home offices, this kind of structure. Which one is more suitable for small offices and home office structures? And this is definitely this one. It's called the broadband cable access. This is correct. This question should choose A. And as for the circuit switched, these things. Circuit switched, this is wrong. And also, the point-to-point is wrong, and the digital network. This is also wrong, so you should choose A. Choose A. And the third question is also a multiple choice question. The multiple choice question asks us to select 2 correct answers. It asks which 2 WAN structure contribute to the scalability and reliability of enterprise networks. First, asynchronous routing, this is wrong. Then, single-homed access is this kind of structure. Access here. The network of the service provider. On the left is the enterprise network, and on the right is the service provider network. In the case of single-homed access, if this part is disconnected, then there is no reliability. So single-homed access is wrong. Then dual-homed access is correct. With dual-homed access, if the top connection is cut, my data can go through this side. Additionally, static routing is incorrect. With static routing, it cannot achieve automatic switching. Then dynamic routing is correct. If the top connection is cut, I can switch to the lower route. For example, we deploy EIGRP. EIGRP or OSPF, these dynamic routing protocols, and also BGP. Dynamic routing protocols. So the correct answer to this question is C and E. Let's look at the correct answer. C and D. Okay, this question is about knowledge conversion. Question 4. This question is relatively simple. It asks us about the IPv6, unique local address. What is the binary writing format of the unique local address? Exactly. Now, as we all know, we know its hexadecimal writing format is in detail, starting with FC and this F. F converted to binary it's 15, right? Convert it to decimal 15, and then convert it to binary, which is 1111. And what about this C? When converted to binary, For example, in hexadecimal, it's 12, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, then 10 is A. And 11 is B. Then 12 is C, so this C, its decimal is equal to 12. And when converted to binary, it equals 1100. This position is 8. This position is 4. Right? Add them together to get 12. So the abbreviated format is when converted to binary is this. So we choose B. For this question, the correct answer is B. Okay, choose B. All right, the fifth question is also a multiple choice question, asking us to select two answers. Select two correct answers. For this question, it says, the private address of IPv4. The private address of IPv4. What are the two best reasons for using this private address? First, implementing internal communication within the enterprise. This is definitely one. Implementing internal communication within the enterprise, and then implementing. For implementing NAT, this is a bit far-fetched. This answer is a bit far-fetched, so it's incorrect. Then for connecting applications, the public address of IPv4 can also connect. IPv6 addresses can also connect, so this is incorrect. To save. Global addresses to save public addresses. This option is correct in IPv4, as IPv4 addresses are already exhausted. One of the reasons we use all addresses is to save public addresses. So the correct answer should be A and D. As for option E, managing path overhead, this is definitely wrong. So for this question, choose A and D. Let's look at the correct answers. A and D. Submit. All correct. Well, if anyone wants to learn Cisco technology or obtain Cisco question banks, please send a private message, or you can leave a comment below the video, and we can engage in technical discussions.